Greetings from Custom Built Spas, your #1 source for do-it-yourself information and instructions on building spas, hot tubs, swim spas, plunge pools, and other small pools. I'm going to give you a brief overview of a few awesome projects some of Gene's customers outside the US have built with Gene's free coaching help. The spa shown here was built by Augusto V, along with his cousin in Panama. They did a great job, especially on all the tile work. This simple courtyard hot tub was built by Nick P. in Spain. All equipment and expertise was supplied by Custom Built Spas, along with free coaching help. Gil R. and his nephew down in Puerto Rico built this covered patio hot tub in 5 weeks, working only on weekends. Here are a few comments from a customer in Croatia. Building an indoor American-style hot tub in Europe was a big challenge for me. Especially here in Croatia, such things were never built do-it-yourself. Gene was very helpful during the whole process, and his advice, books and videos made this project possible and made me a better engineer. Thanks again for all your help. Krunoslav S. Kuchevo, Croatia.
As you have seen, it doesn't matter where you're from. For over 25 years, Custom Built Spas has been helping customers around the world with these DIY projects. Visit www.custombuiltspas.com today and see what they offer and how it can help you. You'll be glad you did.